Election nang tebok ong AP Chelsea lapen ASDC asong kaching room jikali api ong cetonte ong sinang keklang.
Kancas kom penceng lok song priatom hemprek kapsa kachasong nam Japan Delhi ke bar. Dulu ni polling station along AP Chelsea song tumpen kang dangame kepada pon.
AP Chelsea lapen ASDC ke chingrum elo. JI Kathar ke chardagon elo. Asama CMC JI Kathar apan ke akeng kokhe. Lasi JI Kathar ke kar biara apan ke matha pijia porabela. Lahai alam the ASDC asong japo Johnson beahin pen JI Kathar apan puthot lam the arbok kontu. Kedam tang penangan narni penta ASDC lapen AP Chelsea asong atum angbong kaceton teatomon ham phangalong nang jablo. Eson peneson alam the char boxi kaceton tepin arjanang klang. Bontala so hut chidahut AP Chelsea alam jasar pu angtong inti Kathar pen ASDC lapen AP Chelsea asong kaching room jiapan lam cingki bomlang cingrum relo puke kalilang pu perangkia thengno ke pangdara jok ke ongdung cerok tok araratum ke cingrum pu bon pusi ning thedun rintilo bontal lasona hut chit ASDC atum bolongkoma jelong jangmi pu ho arni mei ke dua hut ASDC asong japo Johnson beahin pen AP Chelsea asong apan lam the arbok kontusi kaceton tialam rat angno puthot klang thulo Johnson beateng pulote JI Kathar ke BJP amunit mate Asama CM amunit JI Kathar apan ke Himonto Biswa Sharma si akeng kokhe lasi AP Chelsea atum ke kar biara apan kamatha pijia porove lasi AP Chelsea lapen ASDC asong ke chingrumun elopusi lam the chepaklang pon Johnson bealam thiateng pulote kewang GMC kangwai mate election hut la song nia tum kachingrum jiang theke avepin asonsi nangmanlo laswa jok puthot karbiang law termos council ahem tu nalong national aracharisi nang cari tu pomah puta cerok tokarara tumpen ning jepon prei tanglo lasinon asonsi ASDC lapen AP Chelsea song kachetonte dam thorjine mate chingrum pet pen election pathura pet sirat phan pamang hu prejine ke aporo phan inghong nang kok News Desk Report, Malong News.
Non kewang GMC election ke ente APSLC pen la nangli to mo SDC song chingrum pe jima.
La chingrum te thilo se APSLC ke la ke ala asam chief minister pen se alangli bangke jai Kathar banga keng ko het ni lian sita ni jelu. Jai Kathar pan asam chief minister se keng ko het lo. Se hala dak pen langli char dak elu. Se dak ke kar biang long ra phan ke matha piya por ge ala jai Kathar ke claim pinu ya por.
Kedam tang parokresir kebra trok aning kan pen kachasong song hemprek non putakar biatum chepaun elang awe nang chesong lo abatai rata wili dung tanang dolo lasonsi abatai kar bia khe pan sorkar tam nang kachobai tanang dolo la sojok nonapor kar biara ningalong hemprek nang vek jipu ningle fry prelang pustame abatai songja tum kar biara phanang kachong thuya jok nonapor hemprek alam pulote kar biara tum arjung tung terem mangdeng sinang dokolo bonta kancaskom KSA DSU lapen karsa tum puthot dil hirong supialong hemprek apatha kachesong dam jiaphan jangmi poni phai trokarni dipupen bar tanglo Kancas koma song tum henlo non puta por hut hemprek apatha kachesong moton kibibomke la sojok kancas koma song aphan kachoro tum stame nang dolo bonta halapo jaha katum ke kancas koma song aphan kai keta kidindo nang thek chipa dodun bom la so non dilhi ke bar sitame lake election apora joine sike bar chot a hokpet hemprek ke hangdam gali latum ke dilhi ki judama phanchot lapen ke Asia tangka ke panhok je phan pusi akoy kipidunotum abachu social media longta hurisai nang dolo song pli pangrumpet pen kadokwe bang pharopli doji pusi birta ridun long non kewang jini jangmi po ni phai ner keparnisi arang litum dharna mate article 244 eke pachun je phan dil hirong supialong ingtang kring pen song pon padopo pusi nang pachini pon dipupen Dharam Singh Rongphar Malong News.
We are going to Delhi with more than 200 delegates, including the Kanchasdicom organization, KSA, Vishnu Darbar, Karsa, Puja, and other social organizations. So we are going to Delhi for a program of Dharna for implementation of Article 244 of Indian Constitution and we have been demanding in the last 35 years, now 36 years is running, but yet our demand is not yet fulfilled. So our demand, till the fulfillment of our demand, our movement will be continued, and this is not for any particular community, it is for all the Hills tribe people of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao. It's not against Assam, not anti-Assam, not division of Assam. So this our demand is totally constitutional, this constitutional rights. So our demand will be continued and through democracy and non-violent process. So we appeal all the people of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao to participate or to join, and so that our long-standing demand can be fulfilled immediately. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Through this press media, I would like to appeal all the people of Karbi Anglong that this time we should ignite the movement of Article 244A, because we have been demanding our constitutional right for more than 45 years. So it's time to all the people of Karbi Anglong to come in one platform and to start the movement again in a very pressurized way against the Indian government to implementation of the Article 244A. Because we have been fighting for this autonomous state for many years, but till now the government of Assam, the government of India has not given a positive response. So these times, the Kanchasdicom, Kascom, Karsa, the Karbi Association is going to Delhi again to appeal and to pressurize the central government. So on 8th of April, we have a dharna on Delhi. After that, after coming back from Delhi, we would like to disseminate and we would like to spread all the movement throughout the Karbi Anglong so that all the people should awake in these times for the immediate implementation of this Article 244A. So we, on behalf of the Karbi Association, appeal all the youth and all the people of Karbi Anglong that it's not a time to have a division.
Ni tum song pli ma song phok ka chilang do seta me la bangso chilang long ni tum kanchar kom long si kai kita ke ngam chior dun la bangso kanchar kom long ni tum swalo tum sita me hemtre ke nang wek ji tum Karbi atong bhan ke nang sot lo la sei tum long wek nangi la pange Delhi le rok no puladak de hala dak dharna do damji dharna ke do long sa me ni tum swalo tum ta ar jap the pen ji song nu dia phansi ke chisi gi lo Lalo.
Kewang JMC kang wai mate election ke cepai Japan do desang sesi PSLC song temta rong lut bom tanglo. Lason se jangmi poni phai trokar ni duaramla constituency ke parlo duloni polling station alongta PSLC song tempen kang dangame ni pon posi nilatuma pherang ke pen birta nang pale. Abang so melong duloni polling station ameipu hemari hanse pensi mei chari pon. Malong olhisar poman pen PSLC tiripia hin pen habing ti duaramla PSLC amei pu long kitimung Samsung ti chom e chunbang saiten ti so pencheng lokatumta chitong dun Malong kewang JMC kangwai mate election along PSLC pen chepai pen KC charisi PSLC kemang ke pachun jia phan ason son chingwai chi sai pen bidi sore chepachoy pon pasi birta nang pale
Lalu pini ason sona make niltum duaram lang kangge bipik lo lapen along tin kedam senilitum ang heke cilong lo lapen non apor ratum kar ibang alahen lo non mangke ru Samson sing ti akimang ating pensi jasemet ratum nang aridun lo akema dak six schedule area ladak inglong so khai tum detsi tirthia our side dak longchot nangi pu ratum dan non mangke akimang chini lo lapen non jasemet pet la BJP atum han ke kroi kriya thebang alalo latum purun latum rat phan Karbi Anglong rat phan kachenek lapen longri kep keche so phan kachoyor det lason thak thaksi lapu risima song kyo tum phan risima song kyo tum phan jasemet pet CM turam rong hang BJP atum chong thui det lo lapen laso joine lapen ason kisung Karbi Anglong rat phan e pachar si proof laso joine jasemet pet BJP phan kroi klelo lapen Kongres alam cethan lo bulodang ke Kongres asong ben kelake Karbi Anglong rat pan lana ningkan tharvi ki thor ke pachu ong Karbi Anglong rat pan asu pas rem lap lo lasen non bangke latum pan kameli hektik asong buse rat atum penang anatum ningjelo Kongres asong pan ke lapen ASDC asong abang la puhen lo ASDC asong bangke rem loy lo ko bang se jasme lam thege baklang lo เรมลอยโลลาเซนอนเกบังจีอาลังอิเล็กชันบังเกปุทักทักregional party ini tu non just make it hurmi la pen dak rak tu ke ong regional party long se chera po se ong dung SDC song ja tumta just make APHL silong wang bom lo la si ke hai ji bang ni tum ning che thepik lo la pen ke dak duaram la long ke klem dam bang ke ning arong pik lo la pen ong dung ara tum ka che thang me chimung bang ke ning thek long klang sai de lo